Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Perfectly Perfect with me, Pavitra. I would like to mention one thing before getting into the content. That is Nandini. Hello, hi, how are you? I hope you're doing good. The requested content that is lipstick that suits deeper skin tones or suits the dustier skin tones, especially with no makeup, will be on my channel very soon. I promise you that. Now, let's get into the content.
This is Renee Fab Face, the first of its kind 3-in-1 stick to complete your entire makeup look. Yeah, and I'm going to show you how. It glides on super smooth and the shape really helps me work it into those inner corners. Just one stroke and you get this amazing color payoff. Super moisturizing, and look at the color. Now all you need is just one makeup stick to complete your entire makeup look. Just one stroke and you get this amazing color payoff.
Well, it's time to discuss about the product now. Rene Cosmetics is an Indian-owned brand which is almost a year old right now. They have come up with some range of lipsticks, eyeliners, kajals, highlighters, skincare products, in fact 3D eyelashes, which I'll be very soon trying and letting you know my honest feedback on that. The products are cruelty free vegan products, so people who particularly choose go for only for the cruelty free vegan products, and definitely this is one for you guys to try on. So when I just saw the commercial, the first thing which I was very much interested in is the innovative and creativity they have invested in designing the product. It just took me back to the good old days wherein during my school days we used to have the kind of a pen pencil where we used to remove the used lid, insert back to get the fresh one to use. So that is how they have designed the product where we can remove the existing one, insert it back to get a new one. So that is how this works. So in fact, I was completely impressed by this creativity alone, which made me to try this product. Since it is an Indian-owned brand, they have understood the Indian people's skin tones very well, is what I felt after using their products, because the shade ranges are amazing and that will literally suit every Indian skin tone, starting from fair, medium, dusky to deeper skin tones. The shades which I have swatched and showed you right now, that will definitely look good on deeper skin tones too. Like if you feel that your skin is more darker than mine, then literally don't worry. This sticks will definitely suit your skin too. So that is the one thing. That is the major plus point which I see in this particular product. I didn't buy all these three sticks at one go. First, I bought this one, and after trying this one, I completely fell in love with it. So I just went and searched and decided, and I bought this too. So what made me to like this product? It has got three product in one stick. In fact, one stick is enough to complete your entire face makeup. If you're a person who doesn't like heavy makeup, and you prefer something which to look very extremely light, and for extremely light on your skin, very minimalistic makeup, but then definitely you'll completely like this product. I trust me, guys. Okay, this stick name is Fab Face Diva. This has got bold shades in it, starting from lips which I have tried, the first one which was the red lip color, and for the eyes they have given a shimmery shade. Even the other stick also, even that also got a shimmery shade for the eyes, and this falls under golden color, especially that is why I'm telling this stick. With the help of this stick, you'll be able to achieve a very grand makeup, especially when you're just preferring to wear a makeup for a special occasions. And definitely with the help of this particular stick, you'll be able to do it very quickly. Trust me, guys, you don't even require a beauty blender or a makeup brush. Just with help of your finger, you'll be able to blend the product into your skin, and you guys would have seen it how beautifully it has got blended into my skin. Even though I have that scars, but seriously, I didn't use beauty blender for the first time, and I was able to blend only with my fingers. And till now in my entire life, I haven't felt that tinted blushes and tinted blushes or creamy blushes will just not suit my skin type, since I have got this acne scars. What I thought was, if I just go for that kind of a product, that will just go settle into the scars, and that will not give a natural finish. That is why I haven't tried those kind of a tinted products till now. But seriously, it just broke all my fears, I would tell, because the blush which they have provided in this stick falls under creamy one. So when I just used the blush, I was like completely loving it. The way it just blended into my skin, you guys can see it is not sitting on my scar. It has got beautifully blended into my skin. It is just looking like my second skin, I would tell. Trust me, guys, this is not a promotional video. In fact, I got very less subscribers right now. I'm just a drawing YouTuber, so there's no way of people reaching out to me to promote a product. But this is somewhat my heartfelt review. I completely felt love. And to speak about the second stick, this stick falls under nude shades. If you're a person who just prefers only nude shades and everyday makeup wear, just like me, because I this is how I want my makeup look to be. I'm not wearing eyelashes right now, and in fact, before even going with the eye makeup, I didn't even use a eyeshadow primer or a concealer on the eyelid, just the eyelid. Just on the bare eyelid, I went on with the eyeshadow. I just went on with the eyeshadow. So this is how I usually prefer my makeup look to be in the in my everyday makeup in my everyday life. I'm just not even wearing the eyeliner. Sometimes I do prefer eyeliner, but this is how this is the kind of a makeup look I almost usually love and go for. So in this stick you'll be getting all the nude shades. For the lips too, you have a very subtle shade for the lips and for the eyes, which I'm wearing just right now. It's kind of it just did that a glowy effect, which will just give that fresh kind of a makeup look. This is the makeup look I definitely love for. So you'll be able to achieve the fresh makeup look with the help of this stick. And coming back to cheat, when this is also this kind of falls under somewhat orangey shade something. I have applied blush on the top of the blush itself, because if I just remove the first one which I applied, that will just spoil my entire makeup. That is why I just went on with the blush. And now it's time to speak about the third stick, that is Fab 5-in-1 lipstick stick. And this is the collection of all the nude shades. As I told, I'm a person who always goes for nude shades. So even though I have a number of nude lipsticks, if something comes in the market and if I feel that the shade is somewhat very interesting new for me, I'll definitely go for it. I'm that kind of a person. So you'll get 5 lipsticks in one stick. In fact, the shade ranges are literally amazing. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite shade. It has not got the shade names. You can just let me know number wise, like number 1, number 2, number 3 or something. This is the shade which I have tried first, and I just went on to wear it again to give this review one. So this falls under orange shade, which is my favorite. This orange shade, the first one I tried, and the third shade which I tried is my favorite so far. So do let me know in the comment section which is your favorite one. And very important thing to speak about, the prices, guys. The prices are very extremely affordable. In fact, you get 5 lipsticks in one stick, and all this you'll be getting it just only for 700 something. I'm not sure if it's around some 650, 700. I'm not sure. I'll just leave the link in the description. You guys can do check in their own website and put some good products in your cart and start shopping some good products from them. And the eyeshadows which they have provided in this particular stick actually falls under shimmery shade, and that is gonna freeze out after some time. So since this is very easy to carry, so just whenever you just feel like going for a touch up, you can just go to give that to keep that fresh makeup look. And one more thing, very important thing, if you fall under my skin tone, and if you are just blessed with this kind of a skin, scars and acne, and do let me know in the comment section if you feel if you wanted me to try any particular product or something. So before you investing on that product, you guys wanted me to try and give a honest review, I'll be doing that. Do let me know in the comment section.